Welcome back to another video, guys. So, we've been waiting, 3 months for the next update, and the spring update is finally here. So, I'm going to show you everything that is in this new update. So, let's get started. So, first off, let's see what's new. The snow has now melted, sadly not true for real life, and now spring has sprung. Green grass returns. Added a new cash code. Use code SPRING_24 for $25,000 cash. And today expires March 16th, 2024 at 1 a.m. CST. Alright, then they added a bunch of new materials, building revamps, new license plate, textures. Yeah, alright. So, let's get started. Shout out to Aiden Gaming 4020 for letting me use his private server. But I'm lagging. Hold up. Alright, there we go. So, first off, before we get into this, I'm just gonna say, textures very good. As you can see, he used very realistic textures like that. Just makes everything look a lot more realistic. Really like that. But main thing that you guys are probably watching is for the cars, the new vehicles that are in. I know I'm a little late, but not really my fault. I've been studying and everything. But first off, when we go into the showroom, we'll see a Lamborghini Urus, fictional Lamborghini Urus, fictional BMW, I forgot the type, that. Then we have a 2024 Hyundai Elantra N, and the Chevrolet Tahoe, and also a new Lamborghini Countach. Now, again, no real-life vehicles in here. They're all fictional. Let's see what kind of cars they have. So, starting off, cars. We have two new Lamborghini Countaches. And this looks like the one that we saw in that one picture. And also, like a newer one. This one has 3D lights. If I had $825,000, definitely be buying that. But unfortunately, I don't. Next up, I'm pretty sure that's an Oldsmobile. Then we have the old Cadillac. We have a hearse. Then we have a Cadillac limo. Honda Pilot. That is the Volkswagen. I forgot the name. Man, it's gonna come back to me. And we have, I'm pretty sure that this is a Toyota Camry. I really don't know. Pretty Camry? I'm pretty sure. Then we have a fictional Mitsubishi Eclipse, Tahoes and Suburbans. There's a Hennessy one right there. Jeez, might want to get that. We have a limited Shelby F-150 here. Fortunately, I can't get it. It's gonna expire soon anyways. I don't really want it. And also, they have my dream truck right here, which is the new Ford F-150 Shelby. New fictional Lamborghini Urus. BMWs. the Elantra N. So yeah, those are all the new vehicles. If I were you, I'd pick up the limited Chevy F-150. Now, unfortunately, since this is not my server, can't change the time or anything. So I'm just gonna have to drive around and show you guys. I did buy a new car though. That would be the Lamborghini Urus. And there's a thing that I wanted to show you guys. So go into your phone here, go to vehicles, and if you see, there's new auto start the vehicle. So here, let me turn this up. Hold on. If I go like that, and I go here and I hold this, should yeah, there we go. So that is the new startup, and I'm pretty sure you can turn it off if you press it again. Yeah. So, and also, oh, that's cool. Okay, so I guess I was gonna show you that the mirrors fold, but I guess yeah, okay. So when you auto start the vehicle as well, it will. This is only for new ones, but it will fold in the mirrors, and when you turn it off, it'll fold back in. But there's also another way you can do it. Just hold down lock, like that, and then you hold unlock again, folds in, folds out, yeah, just like that. And now I just want to drive around and show you guys some of the new buildings and stuff that are added and everything. It's gonna be a little hard since yeah, it's in my server and I don't have any like access to change the time or weather or anything. But also, as you guys can kind of see, it is spring. No more snow, green grass everywhere. Now, another thing I did want to show you guys is there's new textures on houses and everything. So if I go over here, go to one of these houses, yeah, if I put the light on it, dang it, I don't know, but okay, never mind. But if you go close, you will see that's a lot more realistic, which I'm so happy about that. So, also, new road textures as well. Different, like, materials that they use to change the roads and everything. I don't think they did to the highway, and I can check if don't crash. But yeah, let me go back here. There is an area where I know that they add a very realistic texture, and it is over here. Now you will see, I do want to pass by something. You guys will see. Move over here, you see that? Right there? The building? Yeah, that used to be the Amazon warehouse. And now it is under construction. So yeah, if I go here, you see that there is a DOT truck here. And also, this thing right here says, this location is coming soon, GV development. So that means that this is either getting a full-on remodel within interior, B, this is gonna be an interactive job, C, they're just remodeling the entire outside. But I don't see why they would do that if they're doing the inside too. Confusing, but yeah, That's a thing. Now, as we get closer to Best Buy, or what is it called again? Just Buy, yeah, that's right. You will see that for the Craig's Sporting Goods, you will see that they added plant thing underneath there, so now it's more realistic than just being planted into the ground. And you also see that Just Buy has a new logo, and they redone the entire inside of this. A lot more realistic. Here, let me show you. I'm not mistaken, doors do open automatically. Yep. See, this looks just like Best Buy inside. See, yep. Look at this. Just look at this. This is a lot better than it was before. A whole lot better. They got the new fictional cars on here. Screens and everything. It's good. Got some new stuff here. Computers, phones, everything. Go back here. The warehouse. There is a warehouse area. I do want to look at that. Vending machine, of course, you can use that. Yeah, car accessories installation. So yeah, so if you're getting a car accessory from here, they will put it in something here. The warehouse is, yep, right here. So it's a lot bigger, a lot more realistic in size. I really like what they did. So yeah, so one of the new road textures, the more realistic ones, right there is Best Buy. New textures right here. A lot more realistic. Everything. In general, just like what they did to every single one of the buildings. See here that textures on Best Buy as well. You do got a truck transporter thing right there. And let's go to the next refreshed building. While I'm heading there, please like and subscribe to this video if you want to see more content just like this. It would be very appreciative. So it just helps out the channel a lot, and I just would like to see this this channel grow. Thank you guys for all your support lately. I've reached over 10 subscribers. I've really appreciated it. And let's see if we can beat my other channel, Creeper Gaming T3, that has 30 subscribers. Let's see if we can beat that. Now, as we pull up to the new motel, you will definitely see a difference from outside. Got a new logo right here. Visit 24/7. Starting at $75. You will see very realistic. Yeah, just look at the detail in this. I really like the lighting on this. Just really pops out. Here's the new outside of it. Inside, you will see that this is what the front desk look like. New wallpaper. Looks very realistic. Got like a dining area right here. Bathroom. Elevator. Go up. Do that. I don't know what that is. I think to the elevator, yeah. Laundry room. And if we go to touch room, see, everything's fully modeled. Now it actually looks like a motel. You can still use that to use the TVs. The TVs do have new news channels. Bathroom. Looks like a bathroom. Now, I do want to go to one of the nicer ones. Right here. This one. Again, very nice. Looks like a motel room. Bedroom, TV, all the same stuff right there. Go here, bathroom, shower. We can still use the shower. Still use the toilets. And of course, we can still use the sink. My phone is almost dead, and it's not letting me do the sink. But all you guys need to know is that you can still do it. Still toggle lights and everything, fans, all the same stuff as you would see before. So, let's go back down. I believe that there is one more thing that I need to go over. And this new feature that I did want to show you is the new dirt textures. Now, as you guys can see, a lot more realistic than before. A lot more realistic. And again, guys, I'm sorry about this. I just trying to get my privacy back. I don't know why it didn't, like, I had it for a while and then it just automatically just took away. So, and I had positive Robux. Still, I don't know. The whole thing's confusing. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel a lot. Again, thank you for giving me over 10 subscribers. I really appreciate that. Now, next goal, try beating my other channel. Oh my god. Creeper Gaming T3. And let's try beating that. I have 30 subscribers on that. See what we can do. But again, as always, have a good day. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.